So, I gotta vlog this because Chris really wants this in the vlog, so we'll redo it. Come back. Hey guys, how's it going? Danny here. Yeah, Chris just got here and he's taking me to the barbecue and we're gonna have a really good Friday today. Get the pun? Good Friday? Good Friday? Hey, how's it going, man?
That's good.
How's it going, dude?
That's good.
Yeah. Oh, whoops. Yeah. Cool. Alright, so this is the second time in the car now. I think we're going now. Alright, catch you guys later. Alright, no, yeah, go back inside, bro. Oh, hey guys, so we just made it to Maddie's house. We haven't seen Maddie yet. We just got here. I got him some paper. Oh, hey, bro. There he is. Hey, man. How's it going?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, hey, bro.
How's it going?
Yeah.
How's it going, bro?
This is Maddie. I'll ding your Instagram handle. Ding. And this is also Christopher. I'll ding. Okay. Yeah. We're eating now. Sorry, I forgot to cut out. Vlog earlier, but
Time lapse it, bro.
yeah. This is my vlog or their vlog, bro. Hey, bro. That's wearing the same thing. Hey guys, I feel one with you right now.
It's supposed to be like that, right?
Welcome to the vlog, boyos.
Oh yeah.
Wait, there's still time lapse?
Welcome to the vlog. No.
Oh, you said there was no
normal pace now.
Huh? Oh. Yeah.
Oh, that was very natural. I like that. I like that one.
Yeah, bro. So,
Oh, I like that, bro.
it's good, boys.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You don't have the back from it.
Yeah.
Hey, come on. Let's look so big. It is big.
Hey, where you guys going?
This will be here, mate.
So, everybody just left me.
Danny wants to drink soda.
Are you down?
Are you Danny?
You down?
Let's go.
So I got still got 2 nimnums, and yeah, I'm gonna get a shit face later apparently. That's gonna be great.
You guys want to drink at this time?
Danny wants to drink with me. Yeah, I'll go get a kid.
No, I was like, I'm down to drink.
She's like, I'm
She's like, is someone drinking?
down.
Drunken training?
Oh.
Oh.
Are you drinking?
In the event that we do drunken training, I'll just cut to it.
You guy, you also enjoy yourself afterwards because you fucked up, but yeah, I don't know.
Show me what they are, I guess.
Yeah,
Black's bad, red's good.
Am I missing 2?
Red's good.
I was missing 2 anyway.
Bean pie.
How does it go, Danny?
Red is good, black is bad.
Bean pie.
King.
I need 2 black.
I've got an 8. Did I have
Oh,
This is the star of the YouTube channel.
It's taking way too long, bro.
What?
It's taking way too long.
Danny, you
I better be mafia. If I'm mafia, watch me dominate this man.
Alright.
Psychologically, bro. Fuck everybody.
Oh, damn, keep the dog. Alright.
It's you, bro. Highly suspicious. Hey guys, so I'm back with Chris again. We're about to go train at the gym.
To the gym, boys.
We played a few rounds of Mafia. It was pretty fun. I fucking lost. But yeah, it was great. I'll see you guys at the gym. Hey, bro. That's gone. Yeah. Oh, hey, bro. There's someone else behind there too. Okay. So we just got a pit stop at Chris's. We gotta get the gym keys and then see y'all soon. Oh shit, that's like an infinity kind of thing. I was up, man. I was going on, man. Hey guys, so we just got out of the car. I'm gonna do some yoga because I need to stretch out my body, but now we just gotta wait for everybody else. I look like fucking shit, but that's alright. Full lineup. Yeah, the boys.
Smells like ass.
Smells like ass.
Yeah, fucking.
I can't smell. Does it come from his car? Look at Henry's beautiful car.
Hey, this side.
Too bad, too bad,
Look at this.
Oh, what happened there? Oh shit! Damn, dude. When girls are like, get it on my good side. Pretty much. Okay, what are you gonna do today? What are you training today? What? Oh, you're training with Chris? Okay.
I'm doing bodybuilding shit, right?
Beautiful. Nice. I'm doing yoga.
Yoga?
Yeah. Need to stretch. Oh my god! Oh shit!
He needs some milk.
I think we need to keep practicing on the grass before we bring it to hard surface because it just bumped my head and that's just shaking me right now. Oh shit.
Lord, it's so fucking lovely! You don't sing it! Pump it up! Yeah! Put the fucking hands up! Put the fucking hands up! Put the
So we finally finished training.
What I saw you.
I actually did not train. I had a nap in the back room, but I feel much better. How's your workout, James Wood?
It's very, very tiring. We all almost fucking dead.
Nice.
That's what she says.
Right, Danny?
Hey, bro.
I'm single.
Guys, so we just got to Macca's about to all have a mad feed. What are you gonna get?
Probably some filet fish, that's Good Friday.
Is that it?
So,
Filet of fish?
Something else, I don't know. Something light. Can't really get anything because it's Good Friday.
I'm getting chicken nuggets.
We got the game. We got the games. We got the games.
Ready? Transaction. As soon as I touch it, we're gonna go back to my house and we'll pull it out. You know what I mean?
Alright. Yeah, no. So, We'll chill here for now. What'd you get?
I didn't get anything. I had KFC before.
Recently crashed it.
Yeah, just chilling, having a good time. Did you get food as well?
Yes.
Okay.
Next time we see you guys.
At my house.
Part of Danny's vlogs.
Hey, Po. Oh, Po. And we are back. We're about to eat, have our mad feed.
Oh, fact you knew what for the barbecue.
Po, come here, come back. Come back here. Yeah. I know you hear me. Come on, Po. How are you, man? This is Chris's bunny. Oh, about to eat our McDonald's. Hello.
Doggy.
It's actually been a while. This was recorded on Good Friday, and it is actually the 10th of the 4th now. So I'm a bit of a shit cunt when it comes to editing vlogs, so sorry about that. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and yeah. Coming soon, we got motherfucking Aesop boy. Also, oh shit. Bro, honestly, I don't even know if this was angled properly. Okay, we'll start again. Hello? I hope that's better. Coming soon, we got Aesop. Expect to see a vlog for that shit and all of our shenanigans. Also Midnight Mafia. It's gonna be great. Catch you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I mean like last week's vlog. I don't fucking know, whatever. But yeah, I'll try to vlog more often and entertain you guys so you can waste 20 minutes watching my life. See you soon.